Hello, I'm Glenn, and in this video we're going to be talking about some of the new details and tested solutions we've got for our QuelStop Firebatt system. Our new QuelSelector version 4 is also now released, so that does give a very good overview of the solutions that we've got, the Firebatt solutions as well as everything else that's now been released. So please do check that out, have a look, download it from the website. I'll hand over to Alec now, who's going to go through some of the details in a bit more detail. So over to you.
Yeah, no, thanks Glenn. Yep. So with the QuelSelector version 4, there are a lot of new details, some that you might not notice because they're just updates to existing ones. A lot of this is from recent testing, and we're doing so much testing that we didn't want to just wait as we normally do for the classification report. So we have released some stuff a little bit early. And you may notice on the drawings that they reference test reports, etc. So you can reach out to me to explain the difference between test reports and classification reports if required. But what are the new details? Well, some of the new details we've got that are brand new are Python pipes. Some of you out there is like, what is a Python pipe? These are particularly used in sort of nightclubs, entertainment venues, pubs. And these are systems that have plastic pipes inside a sort of sleeve type thing, and they go typically through walls or floors. So we've got solutions through walls using our QuelStop Firebatt. We've got underfloor Busbars that can then be used with our raised floor access details with our QuelStop Firebatt. We've got Busbars through flexible walls. We have both now circular ducts, 75mm and 90mm, semi-rigid circular ducts through Firebatt, which we didn't have before. If you go to our insulated metal pipe details, for example, we now have more flexibility with 90 kg density rock fiber instead of 120. So this allows you to use insulation from Paroc and Knauf, not just rock wool. So we have those solutions and a few other details that are just sort of changed, a few like MLC, PEX, that type of thing, now in single skin walls with the Patras details. If you want a full breakdown, do reach out to me because it's probably a little bit too long for this video to go through exactly all the changes, and some of them are quite minute, but it's big details in the world of fire testing. And that's about it for the moment.
Yeah, brilliant. Thanks for that overview, Alec. As Alec says, if you want more information on it, you'd like to know what the details are, or you've just got general project queries and requirements, please get in touch with us. The details are on the screen now. Thank you.